Welcome back. Today we're making healthy nut butter with a twist. Let's go. Okay, we have pecans, we have cashews, and pepitas. Pepitas are the staple for both of the nut butters. So we're going to pour them all in and douse them with some olive oil, some salt, give them a nice stir, and then pour them onto the big pan and spread them out. What you want to do is spread them out nice and thin so that they get a nice even roast. And next we're going to do the cashews, olive oil, and salt. Get them nice and covered with olive oil. These ones will shake out to a flat, thin layer. And last but not least, pecans, olive oil, and salt. Nuts are high in antioxidants. Pepitas are great for hormone health and fertility. Nuts are a great thing to keep into your diet for weight management. They help you feel fuller longer. Healthy fats are good to combine with a carb so that you can balance your blood glucose, prevent insulin spikes, prevent disease. All right, let's go nuts. No, it's stupid. Okay, we're gonna put everything in the oven at 350 degrees. I put them on 3 different trays because they take different amounts of time to roast. Pepitas take 8 to 10 minutes, cashews take 10 to 12 minutes, and pecans roast the longest at about 12 to 15 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so I took those out of the oven. They took a little bit longer than expected, so you just want to keep an eye on them until they're golden brown, and then scoop them into a bowl and then into the food processor. Okay, I'm gonna save the other half for the second batch. We're going to start with honey cinnamon cashew butter with a little bit of vanilla. There we go. Now we're gonna add a very generous portion of olive oil. It's what makes it creamy. Okay, recap. We have cashews, we have pepitas, we have olive oil and salt. We're going to add honey and cinnamon to this batch. I love cinnamon. Just gonna dump it all on there. Vanilla bean paste. This whole thing is kind of eyeballing it. You can't mess it up unless you really mess it up. Okay, we're gonna snap on the lid and give it a nice puree in the food processor. Some of it gets stuck to the top right here. Don't be scared to like shake it around. Shout out to Bren for this recipe, by the way. Thanks, Bren. Add some more salt. I'm gonna add some more honey. All right, let's see where we're at. Oh my gosh, really good. So we're gonna scoop it out into a mason jar and then make our second batch. Going to take the other half of the pepitas and all the pecans. Whoop. Pour them all in. Okay, and then we're gonna add our olive oil. This is Dutch chocolate cocoa powder. You can use regular cocoa powder, but I have this left over from this divine, flourless, gluten-free chocolate cake that I made. And then we're gonna do about a teaspoon of vanilla. Snap it in. Let's do a little taste test. Wow, gorgeous. Look at that. Pecan, chocolate, vanilla, nut butter. Really good. And there you have it. There's our 2 nut butters. Oh my gosh. Yum. Marlo, you want a piece of apple? Sit. Good girl. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next.